Hello, Ghana. Hello, chat. It's a special day today. I don't know what's special about today. I'm just saying stuff. You know, as I do. Are your stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate? I know. I was getting water. As you may be able to tell, I got a new. I got the channel point things, and I made it funny. Anyway. Not important. Well, I mean, is important, but not important. You know how it is. I got logged out of my chat. She tried already. Jesus. Yo, give me a minute. I just got the water. How many points do you have racked up? How the hell did you get so many? I'm gonna have to increase the price of that. A little bit. Sure. Yeah, I saw the outage. Nothing happened. It was like before I got up, so I had to turn it up because you were being a little heavy with it. Alright, anyway, music. Alright, so lesson learned, the stuff that I thought I could use, I can't. Shut up before you get me copyrighted again. Lame as hell. So we're using this guy. Shuffle. Okay. I have to refresh it. Okay, there we go. Actually set up. I don't know. The song text is not visible here. Where is it? It's literally just called song. There it is. That's capture card. There we go. Alright, now we're good. Now it's moment when it's too loud. Anyway. It still seems too loud. I can't, like, turn it any lower. That's actually probably fine. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Overreacting. Alright, I don't need any of that. Well, I will need it eventually, but first things first. Let's just get rid of all of these. Clean slate. It's you and the plugin and ShadPS4, save data. Actually, I'm just using it for you. And then, can I do that? Perfect, okay. Thanks for the 1 bit. Okay. So first things first. Don't spend it all in one place. I don't think there's anywhere where I can spend less than a cent nowadays. What I need you and DTA funks. I've got the original DTA funks up here. I thought I did. I don't. Well, now I can maybe not spend it all in one place. 2 bits. Not deluxe, the plugin. DTA funks. So what I've got to do here is there's a big ol' copy and paste after set video calibration. And I'm getting rid of MU file delete because MU file delete is not necessary anymore. Well, actually it's probably fine to keep it because it is still necessary for main. Every Twitch stream I give a bit, wait 100 streams to make $1. Could I cheese that by just turning the stream off and on 100 times right now? No? Aw, damn. Forge is real interesting. And I'm just adding more bullshit to him. So just right after set video calibration. What do you find on eBay? I'll skip to that for now. Well, games. Cool. Okay, I'll just grab that. Laundry. Oops, that's the calibration. I went too far. Just paste that in. Cool. This would be done now, but I need to change the pass too. Oh, right. Are those paths correct? Let me double check with this. UI, game HUD, break countdown, solo percentage, song artist overlay, and then I need to create the practice speed file. Yeah, so Alec knows about V3, knows how V3 works. He's not, that's fair. Yeah, it's the laundry moment. So those are all right. Now I need to do a lot of, so every time that this shows up, I can't use it because it doesn't work in ShadPS4 for some reason. So I have to use the you can see that I did it up here. I just made this an extra function. So I was using open, and instead of fopen, it's just open. So that's just basically what it is. It's a little bit more than that, but that's a simple explanation. You just given all the secret deets. So the way this would work now is and then I need to change the file status. Okay. There's no way that's laundry, it's way too loud. I can prove that it's laundry. It's just it's one piece that has like metal on it, and it's a glass, of course it's a dryer. It's got a glass window on it. So it's just clinking against the glass window. Or that's all it is. And then it's just seek. Shoes in the washing machine. I mean, that's done that before, but not in this instance. So it would be lseek. Lseek. Offset's already there. And the seek set. And right. make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah. Well, I don't have V3. If I had access to V3, I would. So it's oh, okay. So you've told Alec, oh, it doesn't anymore? What the fuck? Okay, that's lame. But still, I'm waiting for V3 is what I'm gonna stream live. In case that wasn't clear. Okay, so it would just be these two combined. I'll wait until after Christmas. That's fine. I don't care. I can wait. So it'd be that first. And then get rid of that. And then that. That's how right works it. Yeah. So that's the values that are being written. And then that's the number. And just close. Oh, I know driving during winter sucks. At least the cars we have are at least decent with it, so it's not as big a deal. Now I have to redo the locations. 1 degree off on the temperature. I've heard laundry that loud. See, somebody gets it. Where's the... Okay. Then I go here and grab the offsets from there. That's not what I'm looking for. Score. HUD. 3E4F. And then mic warning. Okay. Which is, how does that work? I haven't checked this in a while. Not you. HUD. How does it work in... Combo for like it plays the fig video. I don't even know how I don't know how I would have a button combo. There's no long cheats. And also, I don't know how I would play a video. Oh, I'd have to grab... I'd have to switch over to Rivals Deluxe. Hold on, I can do this an easier way. There's a lot of stuff internally that's happening to make the career play videos. It's not as simple as just play a video file. UI, game, HUD, grab that. I just need to see what I'm looking for. One EC. Don't cut it. Well, I mean, cutting it would work. Okay. Is local. That doesn't exist. I think I'll have to, I can just leave that part out for now. Weird. And then countdown is just... Why would you do that, Ghana? I mean, that is something you would do. I don't care. I mean, it seems like a waste, but go for it. MTV, I don't need first start 2. That's incorrect, and then I need to change these numbers. Oh, so there's some jank involved. I wonder that's why I've had issues trying to get data out of Forge DTA and like back into C. This I do need to do, but I know the info for that. So read write, right? Alright. lseek, close. And I just need to find those in here. OG and D. No, OG and 1. No, this version. Oh, okay, so there's 3 spots. What would be the equivalent to F put C? I think I just need to use right. Imprint? What the heck is an imprint? Serialization. That would make sense. I don't know how that would work though. There's a 3rd set I need to do. So it's 1A90, 1A90, uh, 1B2A, yeah, the train that goes through there is very small. 1BE9. Okay. And the solo. Ew. Wrong thing. There you go. This will still be the same, so that's fine. I don't know if there's a... I'm gonna get rid of binary file. That's gonna be weird to change put C into system call. So I'll just do these, and this will get me very close to parity. Okay, that at this point it should be good. I just need to actually set up the DTA now. which should be easier. Since I have most of that already set up. Thanks to rivals. Actually, I will need to change. Get rid of those. Hi, Joshua. Get rid of the OGs. They're no longer, well, they are still OG, but they are now they are actually used by the game, so that need to keep it that way. That's done. Go here. Get rid of that. DX states. DX states. So MTV Elements is already almost set up. I just need to add the line for I can show it over here just so you can see what I'm doing. I either do like that. There we go. DX states. Can't do the visibility. Hot elements. I need to create the hot elements. Oops, bolts in there. Oh, I get to hide button prompts from here too. That's some dedication there. You got Joshua. I need to change those. Is this the same name? Yes. Alright, perfect. So that's set up. This is already almost set up. I just need to add the position. And then add the line for position. I don't have presets here, so I can just skip this on top of this. Is that here? Okay, it's here. Okay. Oh wait, no, that is... I can tell you're using Windows 7. Close. It's a theme. So I use, for taskbar, you can see I use start all back, and then to get the arrow here, I use DWM blur glass, which, right here. Love the classic Windows 7 aesthetic though, it's very nice. So I think I can just skip that entirely and just do you say HUD position? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So I didn't have to do that. Fixate HUD position, and I need to set it to position type to empty. Need that. Along with the Windows 7 theme. Yup. Okay, that should be good. Now I just need to go through a lot of reworking. That should be running, but it's not running right. I don't think that's working right. I need to double check that later. I mean, I set that in my to-do list. RB4DX fixed position resetting. Because it's not doing it correctly. Like if it checks the I think no. Oh no, it's setting them, but it's not writing the file again, so that's the problem. So I can fix that later. I'll leave it as is for now. Okay, so it's an init dev, that's where the defaults are stored. And those are going to be different, so I'm going to have to fix that later. Long-time Windows 7 user. I mean, hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So let's first go MTP. So just get rid of the deletes and paste that in its place. And then put the right there. That should be good because that's the same. XEY, generate origin, song title. Okay, cool. So that's done for DX states. Now I need to go over to the slider states and init. Windows 10's fine. Windows 10 is fine for now. I mean, I've seen your setup. I think you could use just a full upgrade and not just an operating system at your current state. Actually, in fact, I would recommend not going to Windows 11. So I strongly recommend with your setup. Okay, I'll shut up. Anyway. Now I have to set up practice song speed. I'll do that after. Not RGB. Oh boy, okay. So the only difference here is going to be the data. And RGB is also going to need to be... I think I'm just going to kill the RGB slider for now because it needs to be redone with the proper setup confirm actions. So I just need to go to position data. That's the only one I need to mess with because I need to do set DX settings array. Okay. Like backporting Rivals stuff in original RB4. No, this is backporting Rivals Deluxe features. So I can show this let me projector to my PS4 so you can see here what I mean. Windows 11 has been so buggy in the latest releases, it's crazy. I'm sticking to 23H2 for life. 23H2 is my last Windows version, probably. You. Can't connect to network, moment. Clueless. Yeah, my computer isn't even giving me. You can see it, 23H. I can't see it. 23H2. For some reason, it's just not giving me the option to upgrade. I'm gonna become a Linux user eventually. So the thing I'm working on here is visual HUD. All of this stuff is essentially what I'm working on. Aside from the top and bottom options, these are the ones I'm working on. So if I go here, you can see these are the settings that I'm going to add. That's what I'm adding to ShadPS4 Deluxe. Actually, just turn the PS4 off. What am I doing? I don't need you. Get out of here. Like, if I go to... your update history. Yeah, there's like... I don't have a 24, 25H2 option. It's just... I've got a... What are you talking about? Yeah. So, that's... I mean, that is such a funny thing. Because on the other side, they're just using AI everywhere else in their code, so... Yep, that seems to be par for the course with Microsoft and Windows at this point. I need to grab these pushbacks and I'm good. Plus reset minus. Yeah, okay. That's right. So now I just need to, not there. Oh, I need to actually that. Should record powered by AI that records your screen the whole time, because why not? It shows that spying on users. Oh, Windows. Oh, Microsoft. You and your negative knowledge. Somehow. I just need to change the reset, and then I'm good after I fix these up. Okay, so that's the slider setup. I just need to get the right position starting points. So when does position... Oh yeah, it's I'm missing a page. DX states. I might figure out the presets for 1.08 DX at some point, but for now I'm just leaving it as is. And I have to redo all the these, so all of this if else block for each of these gets shrunken down to one line. Okay, so that should be every instance of everything at this point. Wait a minute. This is using the old format. This is using the old format for arguments. Also, do I have data node float? Yes. Why do I have data node float? Oh, for calibration. Two, three, one, two, three, is that right? I need to double check that. Two, three, four, five. Do I have data node int? Yes. Okay, now it should be good from the code standpoint. I forgot about changing that. I need to do that in the Rivals code base. I mean, at this point, I think I'm just gonna lock Rivals plugin for a bit, so 1.08 plugin can catch up. And once all that is done, then I'm going to like try and push them together. Make if-def spaghetti. It's not gonna be too... It's not gonna be... Well, it will be if-def for ShadPS4, specifically for emulation. It will be if-def, but for the most part, it's just gonna be a variable if is 108, if is rivals. And most of this code is interchangeable without having to do any of that. It just really comes down to the offsets are different for these files, and the offsets are different for all the hooks. But merging those together shouldn't be too difficult, I hope. Do like RB4DX and have port setters per platform for offsets. That would be a smart idea. I'm not sure if that would carry over perfectly, but hopefully it would. That's done. I need to go back here and the slider states. Get the reset points correct and set that in init dev as well. So that's all done from their UI. Oh yeah, if that yeah, gotcha. I'd have to look at RB3. How does that work? Actually, let me side quest. RB4DX. Would he include? Yeah. Oh, okay. So it's just ports. If def Xbox. Okay, I see. That works. Yeah, that makes that unbelievably simple. Score countdown MTV. Okay. Now I just need to go through these. No, wrong one. UI, game, score, solo, countdown, songwriters overlay. Okay, now I'm gonna quad it up, or triple it, I guess. We need to go here. E or F. The HUD X 81.5, 10, 22.5. That's the same. Solo position 1D85, negative 19.5, negative 9 essentially, and then 50. That's the same. Break countdown 1C59. Okay, 0, 10, 0. And 28.1. Yeah, 0, 0, 0. Okay. The 10's still there. The song artist overlay is the one difference, which is whatever. Go to 1320. 0, 0, negative 25. Yeah, okay. That doesn't matter. That gets set automatically. So that's done. So the defaults are still correct here, which makes my life so much easier. Okay. Now I get to actually test it. Why have I been pinged? What have I been pinged for? Gotcha. Some DX news. Oh, it's just better GH3, the quota limit. It's so funny. Everybody's been so excited for better GH3 that they overloaded Google Drive. Get rid of that backup. Build. White space encountered. Awesome. This wasn't an issue previously, what? Well, I have to do this. Okay, so it's DX states. But why? Why? What the fuck? Why is it suddenly white space? It might be some of the comments. That wouldn't make sense, but I mean, I could just remove them. Oh, because of this, probably. No? Where? Ah, I see it. One little character just screwed me up. I'm still getting white space encountered in symbol. I got it. I figured it out. Jesus. There we go. Let me do that real quick. Ugh. I think I'd have to... Oh, this is so jank. Alright, so there's where I'm gonna make it a care. Wait, is O the right? O is not the right thing there. 1A90? I think I fucked. Well, I didn't fuck it up because I didn't install it yet. Go to 1A90. Yeah, that should be A. Oh, whoops. It's not a care. Care is the type. It's bite. I have to make it a pointer. Oh, I guess I probably could have done... Oh no, that probably wouldn't work. I'll just leave it as is. I just need to turn it a little pointer. Like that. It's pointer 2 byte, and that should be good. Let me fresh build, because that might have fucked things up. As coding stuff would. Steam, hello. That's not what I meant to do. Copy the plugin. Copy the plugin. And then build Golden 108. PS4. Expand. Yep, I am the sole RB4DX dev, and yeah, there's laundry in the background. I tried to like turn it down or like noise suppression, but noise suppression does not care. I think it's because it's too sharp of a sound. Noise suppression doesn't do well with sharp sounds. Anyway. I just need to start the game. What am I doing? ShadPS4. Oh, I don't have the folder. Hold on. You need to create the folder. It's not being created. This challenge, it's just adding stuff that already exists. Basically just adding the positioning stuff that I added to Rivals Deluxe a few months ago? When did I do that? That was a while ago now. I just been delaying on putting it in ShadPS4 because previously it would not have worked, but now it does work. I'm scrolling, I'm trying to find it. Oh god, this was forever ago. Oh wait, no, I've gone to... Did I not show it off here? Oh no, okay, there it is. 2 months ago, August 14th. Okay, yeah, it's been a minute. Anyway, we should be good to go. Updated tutorial on how to install it. Installation's pretty much the same. Like, really, pretty tip for crack guitar. Got a free skin glossy replacement. Nice. Well, that's what we like to see. That's cracked doing good there. Like, hold on, I'm going to the installation tutorial video, because pretty much all the things that have changed I have noted in a pinned comment. So like, if you just follow this, skip this part, go to here, and then just follow it along, pretty much everything, as long as you read the stuff here in the pinned comment, everything is correct here at this point. Welcome back. What's the setting called? Create portable user folder from common user folder. In the paths tab. Paths? Yeah, in the paths tab. Save. It gets simpler while skipping the package part. Yeah, so pretty much just skip this section, go to the installing by a PS4 package viewer. This is all the same. The game file adjustments, that still needs to be done. Installing Deluxe, this is all the same. Controllers, pretty much the same. Nothing's really changed. Actually, the one thing that is changed, and I think it's mentioned here, PS3 instruments can be passed through. You don't need to bind a PS3 controller. Just plug it into your computer, turn it on, and ShadPS4 will recognize it as a guitar controller, drum controller, etc. And then all the settings adjustments, that's pretty much the same. I think, yeah, I mentioned the V-blank divider thing, where you don't have to, it's not a division anymore, it's just put in the frame rate you want, essentially. That's what that is now. So that's all the changes, really. Anyway, don't set those settings. No prob. Glad to help out. And justice. It literally doesn't matter. Just show me it. Show me the game. Okay. So everything. Visual HUT. Good start. Good start. Good start. Not you. DX states. Huh? Oh, get auto list view. Damn it! I need to go through and find all of the get auto list views. That's not how it works in 1.08. And then I need to change the, it's not confirm action, it is auto list view. My PC just to play this. That's incredible. Hope everything works out for you. I don't need to build with textures this time. Yeah, mode 5 custom map setting. It's actually simpler than that. If you have a multi-platform, now that pass-through's a thing. Where's the slider? Just set the slider here, set it to P3, and then it just works as a PS3 guitar. And if you have, I think if you have a solo neck, that will also allow solo frets to work correctly as well. So, super cool stuff with that. Just in case you didn't know. RB3. Oh, yeah. I'll use PC mode 8 for all games. RB4DX, PC mode 5. Yeah, you don't need to do. You can do that. The mode selector is an option, but you can also do, as I said, you can do P3 slot on the control, not the dial, but the slider on the bottom. HUD. There we go. Shown info. Turn it all on. There is one change. There is one change I do need to make for detailed. Because this is probably using the wrong font. And I just remembered about that. Let's see if it works first. Why is it taking so long to load? Bring that back. Yeah, it's still the wrong font. Although it looks like the position also got fooked. Although that might actually be right if the font was correct, so let me fix that. Compare. So it's just yeah, and then this float is different. So it's just, it goes from I to 1. Trial and error, continuous improvement. Truth. All of this is just one way to improve the game. So this is 2d6. The laundry beat. That's crazy. I mean, with the way a dryer works, that makes sense. 14. For now, I'm just gonna force that change and see if it works. Is that with the hex stuff? So this, what I'm looking for here is I created a comparison. So I opened these two different files and I'm just looking for the differences in these files. As you can see, the highlighted thing on each side, that is a difference. So as you can see on this side, it's an I, and this side, it's a 1. Okay, so the position is wrong. Okay, let me double check that real quick. So now I'm looking for the position data to see what went wrong. So 1320, 1320. So it's 00. Nope, that. Negative 25.55. Why is it? It shouldn't be. That's this one. 58. Why? Yeah, as you can see, that's in the right place there. So it just didn't set the position correctly. Interesting. Wait, is it doing the set? Let me double check. DX states. Yeah, write MTV file. Album text, genre text, origin text. Interesting. Oh, did it not write to it at all? That might be what happened. Song title position, Y. They're not saving it, dev. No, init dev is saved. The A0. Interesting. So why did it not change the file? I mean, it did song title always right, though. Right? HUD, not button prompts, HUD. Song title? Yeah, visibility always. And visibility default. And I find animate. Yeah. So that works. But not replace float. working. Why? I'll seek. That all looks right. Has the number right? Am I missing something here? Is open, seek, right. And then close. Open, seek, right, close. And the path must be right, because it's changing for, does it not want a long? What do you want for L-seek? What's an off T? This ain't even an INI file issue. I mean, it should be able to convert long to long, I assume. Unless it's just the way, because this works. Unless it could be int, and that's what's causing it to... I mean, no. I mean, it could be. Why would it be int, though? That would be... stupid. I mean, I can try it. It shouldn't be any... compilation-wise, that should be no different. Actually, I can check. No, there is no. Why would there be documentation for this? For PS4 specific. Actually, it'd probably just be the. FreeBSD. That's not gonna work. I need to change the. Let's see. Why? I mean, that doesn't matter. That's changed. I need to go to, yeah, there. Nope, still the same. Why? That doesn't, I mean, it doesn't matter. Why? And then double check in HXD. Sometimes it does. I know sometimes it does make a difference, but the way I have it open right now, it should. Well, that could be part of it. But also that doesn't look changed either, I don't think. Maybe it is. I'm not sure. This is wrong. Those offsets are wrong. So... let me get them to the right offsets, and maybe that could help. See, a long was probably fine. And I am a stupid coder. There's gotta, have you found a way to skip the splash screens? Because I haven't found a way that doesn't cause major issues with the game. What? Song title. I think I should probably reset this file because it's been absolutely butchered to all hell. Oh, okay, so it's just EU versus... Also, that's not even a EU versus US thing. Any title ID that isn't 02084 will show the instrument icons instead of ESRB. D0. Oh, 0, 0. 0, that's fine. Xbox One moment. 1320. 0, 0, negative 58. Which is correct. Okay, so now I just need to make sure that the... position is being initialized correctly. Why is that an init and init? Wait, what? Why is that an init? That's probably where it was. don't have refile split set up. Why are these not being properly implemented? What? Why are you 0? So I fucked this up. It should go back to HUD position. Wish there was an easier way to see what data's where. HUD. Oh, song title is also going back to the wrong place. There we go. HUD. File modification. I mean, I wish I could do this the Rock Band 3 way or the Milo way, TM, where you just get the object and set the data that you want to the object in DTA, but DTA don't do that in Forge. Oh boy. Spooky sounds. Wait, is DX in it not running? Wait, no. Yes? No. Where's state overrides? Wait, no, I can just double... Okay, so that works, so... It's not that... Yeah, there's ways to, like, set stuff in Forge DTA, but it has to be... It's really specific. It's a lot more specific than it was in... you know, regular RB or Milo. I forgot what I was saying. Grab one. That might not be running. I don't know why it wouldn't be, but just in case. I can reinitialize there. No, that should, it should work there. What the hell? I know that works. Is that, wait, is that where it was in SDC and Traversal? Yeah, if I can get into entities in Forge DTA, then I can break into everything if I can figure out how to get into entities from DTA. Most of this file BS I'm doing right now would be irrelevant. If you could look at... Hold on, let me find AMP16DX. Do I have it here? Oh no, it's not there. I have it somewhere here. I think I can find it. Yeah, if you can figure out how to do that, I can break open Rock Band, or not Rock Band, Amplitude 2016, because I tried to create a new menu from the options scene, and it didn't work well. I think that's actually on my AMP16 build in ShadPS4, so I can check that real quick. Oh, I'm a guitar. Yeah, I had to change the names of the buttons so they wouldn't work how they originally do, and I could change what it does in DTA. That was at least my... Just go rock out for a bit. Have fun with that config. Reload. False. I'm no longer a guitar, so I can load into Amplitude 2016. That's already right. Amplitude? Oh, does this has the stupid fucking bug? I forgot to fix the amplitude boot glitch. Or I forgot to break ShadPS4. Hold on. Source, what's the stupid amp fix? Linux. Amp 16 black screen. It's in MP manager. So I need to find get NP ID. It's get NP ID and get NP online ID. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Get NP ID. It's already set return work is okay. What? Oh, never mind. That's because that should be good. Watch this fail to compile. It would be funny because because I'm just doing this in GitHub editor. Okay, never mind. We're not gonna show the amp thing. I'm just gonna work on RB4 Deluxe. I'll explain if you remind me whenever I end up like in VC. If you could just remind me about the amp thing. I was trying to create a new amp 16 menu. Now I'm a vocalist. Controller settings. Change your type. Vocals. Change me to a guitar. I'm a guitar now. Okay. Vocal settings. HUD. Song title, position, Y. What the hell? Is there something wrong with init dev? Let me try throwing those back in init. Maybe it's something wrong with init dev for some reason. It'd be funny if all of this setting has done nothing this entire time. Wait, actually, I can check that. Settings. Visuals. Positions. Yeah, the positions folder exists. So, and it has been running. It's just not initializing variables for some reason. No. Yes. Huh. So for some reason running init dev, having settings in init dev. 3 stream watch streak, let's go. W, what the fuck? What do you mean? Wait, okay. Score position, X, 81, 22, 10, 50, 19, 9. What the? 0, 0. What? How? I think I need to do a merge. Hello. Ban. I got it. Speedrun. I beat Dakota, let's go! That's sulfur. There. Now you can do it. Now it's just a race. Who can ban the bots first? I think I'm good at this point. I don't think I need icons to script. That's alright, that's right. Edit dev. Oh yeah, I need to fix the saving of positions. Which is in what, DX states? Yes. No, DX states. Holy dumb. TV of multiple monitors based. Alright, now everything is set up for that. I will need to implement warp me here for a second, Brian. How's the workflow going? Has it failed? Applying format, you can suck my balls. I should fix that eventually. Okay, no, it is. It's working. SDL's built. I have to implement reading those files and then actually rewriting after they've been read. And I could probably do that real easily right here in Rivals, but I don't have read file as float in 1.08 yet. What else? Okay. I need to do that next, but I'm gonna test this out and just move things around and see if they're positioned correctly. It's fine. Solo box. So now it's gonna be on the highway break countdown Y. Oh yeah, I need to add that to the list. I need to add interval. I think hot for teacher is the one I need to look for. It would be like a good tester. I think that's the right Van Halen song that starts with a long ass break. So you can just see the break and then the solo, and then everything else is already visible. So that's right. Yeah, that's all right. Now it is all going to be reset on load for, or on update for now. But I will say that is good enough. I want to see the solo counter, because I moved that far down. That looks almost no different, and I pressed minus like 100 times. That is why I need to add a position interval. Eventually. So that's done. Let me get the plugin. Positioning. Positioning from RB4DX. Positioning from Rivals DX, that's all good. Get rid of all that. And commit. Push. And pray nothing broke from that. And now I will do practice mode song speed, which should be easier-ish. It's dinner time. Let me finish this up real quick then. I can speedrun this. Track camera. Is that in poll? Yeah. You just download this file. RB4DX, new folder track. Move that. That's halfway there, and then I need to do the init. It didn't change at all. DX init. Set prac speed. Set practice speed. Yeah, I need to fix this in Rivals DX because this is disgusting. So that's good. Oh yeah, these checks got weird as fuck in DX states. Because now it's in song. Move that up. Also about to eat. Perfect timing. It's time for dinner, I guess. And then I need to do if else. That's the else. If is instrument options, practice song speed. That's right for the practice song speed. And do this. That, and do that. Okay, that's good. Practice song speed. And now I need to make the state, which is just... That's one hell of a macro. That's it. Those get added. That's fucking jank as hell, but is correct. That's done. Alright. Build it. Build the text. Go here. Copy that. Replace. ShadPS4. Now practice mode should be able to go much slower. I'll show this off with Solus 4 because I think that would be a good one. The state was not renamed. So close. So close. I almost got it right. supposed to be a 5-second thing turned into like a 10-minute process to fix this. Why is my... That's funny, my shirt's transparent now, but not me for some reason. I'm just slightly not white enough. Because my shirt's like a pure white decoration. There we go. Guess it would have been faster to go the other way to get to Solus. I have a lot of S songs. Didn't realize. Should be obvious, but I'll turn the sound on so you can hear it. God, that slowdown sound is so bad. Anyway. Yep, now that's right. Okay, we're done. We're done. I can push this. I can go eat. Practice mode song speeds. Push. Oh my god, we're done. Oh my god. I will announce that later. I might announce that like tomorrow or something, but it's like a big ShadPS4 update, so I definitely want to announce that. Food speedrun. Okay, so I gotta go get food now. So thank you everybody for watching. Good stream. Oops. Got everything I wanted done, which is good. I will be back maybe Wednesday. I might be streaming Wednesday or Thursday. We'll be doing probably the last of the Launch Rock Band 4 career streams. I think I'm just gonna try and bang it out, do like a big long ass stream for that. Until then, hopefully you all had fun. I will see you then. Peace.